What up, YouTube? This is Vincent here. We are doing a competition. We're doing a competition. We got Shantae over here. What up? We got Asia and Alana over here. And, of course, yours truly. Me. Okay. So, anyway, guys, we are doing
the orange challenge.
Ooh, the orange challenge. The orange competition. They are facing each other to see who can eat 8 slices of oranges the fastest. Now, Alana here, let me zoom in on her face. Alana here, oh man, she is a master at eating lemons in like 3 seconds for one slice. It's crazy how fast she eats them. So we're gonna see how she does here. And in case you guys see here, let me show the bowl. That's a nice juicy orange. Here we go. So it's okay. So you guys ready?
Yep.
On your mark. Oh wait. If you're watching, please like the video.
I have to get an orange.
Please like the video, comment, subscribe.
Click the bell.
Click the bell.
They're gonna show me too.
And oh wait, what is it?
Click the bell.
Click the bell. And now, without further ado, go.
Alana's at 2.
Alana finished it. It's okay. Let's just keep watching. Oh my god.
So much juice. That's why I said the table.
It's okay.
Your spot's gonna be full of orange juice.
It's okay, keep
I
watching.
do it!
Keep watching.
Are we doing this where it has to be empty? Or...
I mean, pretty much.
Asia's gotta go back and get some juice.
Damn. Woo. Hold on. Stop, Asia. Stop. Stop.
I knew we needed napkins.
Let's look at that. They're all gone.
Alright.
Alright, you want to finish up yours just to see?
She has one left, I think. Look at my vision, bro. It's perfect.
Alright. Well, overall, that was crazy. Alana won that. And as you can tell...
Wait. We have to check on her cups. Let me see.
No, I just checked Alana's. Hers is done.
Hers.
Doesn't even matter. Alana automatically won.
I still want to know. Oh, yeah. She look at
Yeah.
Am I recording that?
Yeah, she's pretty much done with hers, too. It wasn't that bad. Alana's clean off the bones. Like, oh my god. Well, obviously Alana won. If you guys seen that, that was pretty crazy. This is a short video, and I'm sorry about that.
I got one more thing. You see this?
Orange perfume.
I love it.
But anyway, guys.
Hair. God.
No. Come on.
Don't.
Anyway, guys. So, thank you so much for the support. Please like the video, comment, subscribe.
Click the bell.
Click the bell. And, yeah, so we are hoping for a lot of views.
171 subscribers.
While filming this, we have 171. But by the time this is posted, we might even have our 200. So, we'll see what happens.
Let's pray.
Once we hit 200, we are definitely doing a special video for you guys. And, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this.
Oh, like for all of us?
No, for anybody watching.
Yeah.
It's going to be me and Julius.
And me and you.
I mean, you, I know.
How about us? We should do...
I mean the special video, like the crazy one.
We should do,
No, I'm not. Don't. Shut up. We're on YouTube.
like a...
Shut up. Shut up. I will delete this video and you'll have to do this all over again.
Okay.
We can't. We only have one orange
I don't
left.
care. Well, you split the orange. Alright, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And, yeah, so, you want to say bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Are you John Cena?
Bye.
Just never end the video. Never end the video. Just let it stay.
Zoom in on Alana's face.
Just zoom in on Alana's face. Too much. It doesn't look good when I zoom that much. Okay, bye, guys.